regulation of kidney function. Regulation of kidney function is occurring through hormonal feedback mechanism which involves three organs JGA, hypothalamus and heart. Osmoreceptors, they sense the body fluid volume and hence this signal hypothalamus which releases ADH and hence increases the reabsorption, and vice versa happens. If body fluid is less, then the secretion of ADH is stopped and hence reabsorption is declined. JGA, it secretes renin. Renin acts on angiotensinogen, thus converting into angiotensin 1 and angiotensin 2. This angiotensin 2, it activates cortex to release aldosterone and hence the body fluid volume is sensed and altered. Heart releases a factor named as atrial natriuretic factor which is responsible for vasodilation. It decreases BP. This heart and the factor released by heart, ANF, it is a check on this JG renin mechanism. Micturation. The process of release of urine is known as micturation. As urine is stored in urinary bladder, as urine gets stored, urinary bladder is stretched and the stretch receptors, they send signal to the CNS and then CNS sends voluntary signal which leads to contraction of smooth muscles and simultaneous relaxation of urethral sphincter which leads to release of urine. This whole process, contraction and relaxation, is also known as micturation reflex. Roles of other organs in excretion. Lungs, they are helpful in excreting CO2 out of the body. Liver secretes bilirubin based certain vitamins, steroid hormones, cholesterol, drug, etc. which are excreted out of the body with digestive waste. Sweat and sebaceous glands. Watery fluid known as sweat consists of sodium chloride, small amount of urea, certain fats, etc. and it helps in excretion of these wastes out of the body. Disorders of human excretory system. Uremia. Uremia is accumulation of urea in blood which may lead to kidney failure. In such patients, hemodialysis is done in which blood is passed through a rubber bag through an artificial vessel-like tube so that urea can be removed out of the blood and then blood can again be pumped into the body. Renal failure, when the kidney has stopped working, the renal transplantation is the solution to it. Glomerulonephritis, it is inflammation of glomeruli of kidney. Renal calculi, certain crystallized salts in the form of stones and masses gets blocked into the kidney and thus forms stones. This is known as renal calculi.